in the surroundings of Tirupati. In the lap of nature, in the vast area of 200 acres with a 90-acre green belt encompassing the unit from inside, this is one of Asia's most advanced and environment-friendly steel plant. Welcome to PFi. Here, directly reduced iron ore, being the raw material, is charged into a 30 metric ton mega furnace, using giant electromagnets for the melting. Once the charging is completed and the desired temperature of 1650 degrees centigrade is achieved, the melting takes place in the coreless induction furnace composed of a refractory container which is surrounded by a helical coil connected to the source of alternate current. After the molten metal has been extracted from the crucible onto the casting ladle, it is purged with nitrogen to gain homogeneous chemistry and uniform temperature throughout the ladle. The ladle is then taken to a continuous casting machine where it's placed onto the ladle car. The material then passes from the ladle to tundish and from tundish to molten tubes. This sequential casting begins from all three strands. After being extruded from the mold tube, the solidifying billet enters a containment section with primary and secondary mist-type cooling chambers. This process ensures cast shape integrity and quality of billets. Once the billets reach the desired rolling temperature and length, they are cut by online billet shears, where it is sprayed with water through special nozzles for solidification and uniform cooling. After shearing, hot billets are transferred to the rolling mill without wasting time or energy. Here the process of gradual size reduction begins on our straight line continuous rolling mill. Following the roughing mill, the size is further reduced in the intermediate and finishing mill. The rolling continues until the desired finer grain structure of the bar is obtained. We've taken our rolling and guiding technology from Daniele Mogatchamar, Italy. The loop scanner in the flow of the bar ensures perfectly tensionless rolling process that helps to achieve the perfectly round shape of the bar. Once the final finishing stand imparts its impression on the rebar, they enter the quenching system, which establishes their tensile strength. Here the bars can be tempered in a desired range from Fe 415 to Fe 600 according to the requirement and demand of our customers. The bars are then cut into 60-meter sizes by the online dividing shear. We then come to the cooling section, where atmospheric tempering is conducted. At the cooling bed, the hot core gives out heat to the surface, giving it a soft core for flexibility and a hardened surface for strength and grip. It makes the rebar corrosion and stress resistant. The bundles of variable sizes of rebars get ready as per the customer's requirement, both straight and bended without any manual effort. Once the bars are cooled and packed into bundles, they're stored according to their sizes, grades and lot numbers inside our 80,000 square feet indoor warehouses. Here is a set of online master bundling and bend bundle making PLC controlled automatic machines from Sundbrista, Sweden. The work of quality does not end with production. We take great care in testing for consistent quality, and we assure the safety of our product. Stringent tests are conducted after the rolling process to reaffirm the quality of the end product. To sustain the high standard of our rebars, 100% machining and embossing of the rolls is done at our state-of-the-art in-house workshop. The use of the most advanced technology under the keen observation of professionals turned the raw material into the strong rebar, which is finally shipped to different retail channels throughout the world. Today, Prakash Ferrous Industries Private Limited is one of South Asia's biggest and India's only four-slit mill, where we produce trust with its unique strength that strengthens the structure of your dreams. Prakash Ferrous Industries.